of the flagship store for Ink 5. As you can see, we have with us the gorgeous, the talented Sagarika. We also have Mr. Areen Virji, Managing Director, Ink 5 Shoes. Ms. Rosamond Virji, the Director and Head of Marketing for Ink 5. And congratulations on the launch. So I just wanted to understand from you, Mr. Areen, how do you feel about the launch of this flagship store? Why is it, how huge a milestone is it for the brand?
So this is the first store, first flagship store in Mumbai. It's been amazing. The journey has been great. We started the first store some 18 years back, and having a flagship store in Mumbai, it's a dream come true. It's a phenomenal property that we got into, and really looking forward. And it's really great to have Sagarika here.
Thank you.
Sagarika, how about you? What are your thoughts about Ink 5? What do you think about the range, the collection?
I think Ink 5, like we all known the brand for a very long time, and I think it's got the quality of the product is something I feel is something very unique. They concentrate on the quality, and I've been wearing Ink 5, so it's great to be associated with them and being here. And congratulations for the flagship store. I definitely couldn't have been in a better venue because I think this is the hub right now because everybody is pretty much coming here, shopping for everything, and to have a brand like this here, it's even better for I think everyone around.
Really good to see you, Sagarika. Tell us what are the three things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand?
See, I think specifically now let's talk about why I'm here. I'm here for Ink 5. So for them specifically, I think for me, quality is the prime importance, comfort, especially when you're wearing shoes. So I think these two things are like ticked right there and there, and of course then the design aspect. So these three things are pretty much what Ink 5 is all about. So yeah, it's great to be here and kind of have a shoe which has all these three things because they are very essential for me when I'm wearing a particular kind of shoe.
Okay, you just have a look in the store, how do you like the collection of the shoes?
I think they are sticking to what they preach. I think they are saying that their style is it has to be simple yet very contemporary, and I think pretty much all their stuff it is like that. So I think as a person I am somebody who's not overdressed, and I like to keep it very simple but yet chic, yet very modern, but in its own way very very contemporary in its own way. So I think that's why I think this brand kind of just works well, and it works well not for me but for a lot of people, because I think a lot of people are looking at wearing something that is smart, which has a good kind of a design and at the same time has a lot of comfort. So yeah.
Okay, what's happening on professional and personal front?
Professional front, right now let's talk about right now I'm just a little busy with a lot of things that are going on personally, so I think I'm just caught up with that. Yeah.
Professional?
Professionally, I have one film which I finished, so should be releasing I think end of this year or maybe early next year.
If you can throw some more light on the project which you have finished.
Right now I've just finished a film called Hadsa, which is a bilingual. It's with Gulshan Devaya, so that's the one I've completed. So yeah, I'm not very sure when the release is going to happen, but hoping sometimes early next year.
How challenging it was, working in a film which is,
Bilingual is great because I do speak Marathi and of course I mean Hindi. So it was great to be doing both the films, like both the languages together. But yes, it's a bit tricky because you finish one shot in Hindi and then you have to just kind of go back to Marathi. So that's a bit tricky. But again, it was a great process. It was something new and I enjoyed it.
Okay, apart from is marriage is around the corner.
Yeah, it is.
How happy you are? What you see, it will be a completely change in your life.
Change as such, I don't know about the change, but I think it'll be whatever the change will happen will be for the better because I think when you get married, a lot of things shouldn't change. I think then it's a happy marriage because when things are, you stay the way you are and you let the other person stay the way they are, I think it's even happier. So I'm hoping that, we can stick to that.
How's the planning going on?
Going on, stressful, but it's going on.
And the big day is the date is announced.
Yeah, it's going to be sometimes end of November. It's already been announced, I think. Yeah, I think it's come in the paper. So yeah, end of November.
Thank you.
Thank you.